Welcome to Digital and Space YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing the app called Opus Clip. This AI is making those video editors that clip for a living pretty much obsolete. It's amazing. We're going to run through it today. So what it basically claims is generate clips from any long video. Okay, Opus makes high quality clips optimized for any platform, edit clips and share in seconds. So this is what it basically does. As you can see here, you can literally reframe, you can put an hour long video in, and then obviously it will give you X amount of clips. We will go through it later when we log in. I will show you my dashboard on how things work. Let's quickly run through the features. These are the features it has. Clip anything, AI, B-roll editor, export to XML, social scheduler, and animation caption. Then you have AI reframe, brand template, and team workspace. Just the social scheduler has literally, let's just click on this one and see this alone already. There's dedicated websites or AI tools out there that just focus just on this one bit. The fact that you can, once you've signed up to Opus Clip, you can upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Let's go back to the features. All the animation caption, all these amazing captions in videos gets done with Opus. It's phenomenal. Just bear with me. And let's just go down. As you see, all these major creators that are part of it, that they join Opus. And here you can see it gives you a feed, also a score out of 100, whether the hook is good, the flow is good, and etc. And the aspect ratio is very good. And as I said, it's got a team workspace. About 10 million creators and businesses are basically has joined Opus. Let me just have a look with the question of the FAQ, the most frequent asked questions that Opus gets. How does Opus work? As you can see, it explains how it works, and you can basically click on this where it says learn more, and then it brings you to the resources. So basically, it's got the resource section, customer stories, learning center, the product change log, a blog, and help center. So on the help center itself here, let's just click on this. It breaks down every single thing you need to know. If you're stuck on something, but you can just come in. It's very easily laid out. Pretty much you can find any answers that you're looking for on here. And again, if you got questions that you can't find the answer on here, guess what? Just drop them a message. They will more than happy to help you out. Let's have a look. Coming down. This is before, how things were, and then understand the topic, and this is how it basically goes. So let's log in. Once you join the free trial, one thing I want to cover before we move on. You can pay monthly or yearly. Just be aware that obviously if you pay yearly, you come out much cheaper. On the basically on the free plan, you get 60 credits per month, up to 1080p rendering, the AI caption emotion keyword highlighter, all of that is included. It has a watermark just to make you aware, and there's no editing. And after 3 days, the clips are no longer exportable. So be aware if you are on the free version on there. Then the next version that you can go on AST $15 per monthly package, and this is all included in the monthly package. Okay, that's what some people will pay X amount of dollars for. Just that alone, you get that included in the $15. So it's phenomenal. This is on the monthly packages. This the starter package only available on the monthly package. Let's say you're on the pro version, you get 300 credits per month. 2 people can work on it. 6 social account connections, so you can have 6 social media accounts connected to it, on everything on the starter plan. And then you have the business for organizations that need tailored solution, API, and more. But if you're gonna start on the $15 package, you can also build up. Coming here, the way it works is very simple. When you logged in, 1 second. You go to this bit, home, and you've got the option you can have the option just to drop the link in here. You can upload it from your computer directly or from your Google Drive. Here you can drop in either a Rumble link, a Zoom link, a Twitch link, a YouTube link, and then you can upload from your computer or Mac. And this is basically you can then upload directly from Google. So what I'm going to do is click here to try a sample project. So I'm going to click here, and it's giving me a free will debate. So now I have the option, quite cool, is I can either put my own template here, or what I can do is I can choose this template, or I can choose this template, and choose this template, and let's have a look for more template. So these type of templates, or the type of templates that your famous casters have, the simple one. So you can see which one fits with your style, the style that you want to use. Okay, so let's have a look at the deep dive. That's quite cool. Or I like this one, the Mosey style. He made his own style here. So I'm going to click on that one. I want it to be in the 16:19 ratio. And then what I'll do is press save here, and it's saved. And I'll press here, clip. And it also tells you how many credits it is. As you can see, I've already done a few examples here. This one was for one of my channels. It generated 13 clips out of the original clip, using an AI algorithm in the background to make sure it gives you the right title and audio, and it combines it beautifully. What it does is it doesn't feel like it's just cutting off the actual audio. I was a bit scared if I start using this, would it cut off at the end? Would I have the full audio? It's doing it beautifully, like picking a random place in the actual video. It almost feels like it's a whole video done separately. And that I was very surprised with that, and how easy it was. I've managed to upload videos to my other channel, so that was amazing. Let's just go back to the actual video itself. As you can see, it has fully finished now. It's done his rendering, it's created the clips, it's managed to generate 14 clips out of that one big video, 14 separate pieces of content with the title, everything done for you. And this is the power of Opus. As we live in a day and age today where it's all about content, and if you can create one piece of long content, you can literally milk that, because you can create multiple small little videos out there that can be uploaded on multiple social media websites, where you can have more eyeballs on either your product, your service, and that can lead to more client and more client, or even more products that be sold for your business. So this tool is phenomenal. Here you have the option to edit the clip, to post to your desired platform, to download the actual video, and then also you can like or dislike this clip, and that will actually give feedback back to the AI, and then things will actually be able to pick up. You can then purpose this content straight onto your social media, where you can generate more eyeballs, and those eyeballs actually lead eventually into potential new clients, potential more potential more email signups onto your email list, and etc. etc. So the more content you can actually put out, the more eyeballs you can see your work, and eventually the more people see your work, that will lead to, as I said, to more signups or sales. What you can also do is, whenever you put a new link in or clip another video, you can create a sound hook with an AI. You can drop in the voice here and then the video, and then obviously you can create an AI voiceover. The AI voice as a voiceover is quite cool. And then you have the long to short here, AI caption, AI framed, AB raw, etc., and AI voice over. You have the option to do a beginning of the hook, or you can actually do the full video. See, the full video voice frequency is coming soon. So again, this is not even available yet. This is something that was going to come up. They're going to add it there. But just imagine yourself, there's dedicated programs that just do a voiceover, okay? Just dedicated programs that just do voiceover. Whereas Opus is literally constantly improving itself and literally trying to add more and more. At the moment, they're doing the hook, but just imagine a couple of months down the line, they will have this whole video where you can have an AI voiceover over the whole video. Then you don't even need another program just to do that. You have the option here to add credits. Let's have a look at credits. Obviously, you can then choose which package you want to go on to. I click on here for the credits. As you can see, learn how credits work. Credits are used to process your video projects. Currently processing a clip will cost 1 credit per minute of the original video imported. So for example, 30 minutes of video will cost you 30 credits. Very affordable. So again, just think about it. How much would a freelancer cost you? Someone that you're going to be freelancing, how much is he or she going to cost you to do this? You've done this in a minute of maybe 15 minutes, and within 15 minutes, you got like 14 videos. So if you do a couple of videos there, you can repurpose most of your old content. You can break them all up in this way. This is the review on Opus. Thank you very much for watching. If you got any more questions, leave them in the comment section. We'll keep doing more reviews on apps and AI tools that I use in my workflow, and also ones that I think they're quite good that you might are interested in. Please like this video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video.